Hello, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my Simple Income Methods review. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you what's inside in the members area, and I also included some exclusive bonus for this particular offer, Simple Income Methods, and I also review the price and upsell as well. Please stay with me till the, if you are interested in this product, please stay with me till the end of the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So this is about how to make money online. Some exclusive bonus for you to let you make more money. Bonus number 1 is about access to 10 high converting campaigns you can use to sell them. This is also a physical product. How to use to sell income product. Bonus number 2, you will get another course called 0 to 100 in 24 hours. How you can make it in 24 hours. In 24 hours, you can make $100. Bonus number 3, you will get access 100K AdSense blueprint. This is a step-by-step blueprint that shows you how to start and keep learning consistently with Google AdSense. If you have a blog and website, you should take this for this Google AdSense. How to do that? This blueprint will tell you how to do that. Bonus number 4 is video course 9 ways to make money with YouTube. You cannot do that. Just simply because this is a free. Bonus number 5 is the 6-figure massive income, a complete video course. How to start a successful side hustle. Bonus number 6, Bang Bang Profits. This is also a complete done for you bonus, custom bonus. Bonus page like this, and also they have recorded and included a review video. All you have to do is apply your affiliate link, plug and pay, and then you can rock and roll, and also to learn affiliate commission. That is very simple. This is included about this 13 done for you campaigns for you, just done for you. Bonus number 7, 15 KDP books make $100. 15 different KDP low content book that make $100 per day with no design skill. This is also a very low KDP low content book. You don't have to publish, and you can make money from Amazon and platform. Everyone about Amazon search, they are definitely is ready to buy books and something on Amazon. This KDP book low content book is very easy for user. When you get grab this how to do that, you will they have some of them maybe $3, $5. This is very easy to sell them on Amazon. And also this is very easy for them to do that. Bonus number 8 is the commission blueprint. This is a video course. This is the super affiliate blueprint that generate over 500,000 in 12K in 12 months. It is also a video course. So if you are still interested in it, and also you can get all this exclusive bonus from vendor. So if you are still interested in all my exclusive bonus, please stay with me, and also and just simply click the link in the description below. The first link is my bonus page. When you go to this bonus page and click this blue button, and also you grab this product, and all my exclusive bonus will be automatically delivered inside the Warrior Plus. When you put all my exclusive bonus, this is definitely you can make use of them because they will free of charge. So let's take a look at what is the sales page. This is a simple income method. Today you have a unique chance to learn the four simple income methods to bank up to $100 per day. Don't have an email list for everything method. Perfect for beginner. No YouTube, no video making, no money fee. 247 income stream. It is also come with 30-day money back guarantee. So this is Miranda, the spec of Ryan Max. You will get 4 different things. What you will get inside the members area. 4 simple complete method for beginner. And you will also have more resources, video training, and also you could include a free webinar how to explore your income. This is also the income proof. Step 1, just grab this copy. Step 2, watch the training and start your new income stream. Step 3, watch the payment into the PayPal account day and night. And you also get 4 bonus. Bonus number 1 is private Facebook group. Bonus number 2 is affiliate marketing success. Bonus number 3 is Fiverr Gold. Fiverr Gold is how you make money from Fiverr. Fiverr is a website most of you will have in the online marketing. You will have some small project such as create a banner or create some simple ebook. You will have to do that, and how to make another income from Fiverr. Bonus number 4 is the Bing X for Pennies. Bing is another search engine other than Google, but it is also much profitable, and it is very cheap. You can get this Bing X for pennies, and also you will come with 30-day money guarantee. So this is just for $12.95. It's no-brainer. You can start making money inside the members area. So let's take a look what inside the members area. This is the welcome. This is a simple welcome email video, and also you have come with some free advanced training. And this is also upsell. If you want to buy upsell, you can grab this upsell inside the members area. The training is overview. This is the second video that is about how you can make $15 to $100 per month method. This is also come with this. This is the website. This is also come with a complete guide. This is a PDF how to do that and in detail. Use this method. Residual income method. You can how you can and this is also you can make money on a recurring income. You don't have you just to promote it and you will get paid monthly month after month. This is also you can recommend to this website and a PDF complete guide how to make money with related to this website and affiliate wealth maximizer 100 per day method. You will get how to do that. You can learn 100 per day. This is also come with this special website and how to do that. You will come with the training. This is also about the text board. This is very awesome. And the final video is social media method. This is how to make use money by using your social media. This method is about how to make money from your Instagram and Twitter. This is also this is the manifest how to make money and build your brand. This also have a complete guide. Is the PDF how to make money with it, and also you have come with a conclusion. And also they have some exclusive bonus inside in the members area. You can see bonus number 1, 2, 3, 4. So lastly, I will take you through what is the upsell and the price, and also I can see I can reveal to you what is the upsell and the price. Let's take a look. What is the upsell and the price. This is also included front end is $12.95. As I revealed to you 4 simple and very different methods how you can make money from $100 per day. Upsell number 1 is advanced income method, $27. Downsell with $70, and you will have to show 4 more advanced methods in pick and included the product launching, dominating, and giveaway. Upsell number 2, little black box of traffic, $37 come with $27. In this upsell, you will get access to his best traffic method, both paid and free. This is completely how to drive traffic to your front end offer. This is also the most important thing for online business is traffic. This is also completely how to drive traffic to the front end. The more traffic you have, the more easier way to make more money. So I highly recommend that you could grab this upsell number 2 for downsell 24/7. If you want to make more money, you can grab the upsell number 1, $70 just for downsell. Upsell number 3 is training course and email access, $77 come with downsell $57. This is also come with the 3 months email access to the vendor plus 1 hour 1-to-1 coaching conversation cooperation where the buyers where you can discuss anything about you have the product anything about the internet marketing with downsell $57 for 3 months. This is no brainer. Option number 4 is we sell rice at $97, but come with downsell $67. You will keep 100% when you can grab this simple profit method. This is also you can keep 100% commission. Option number 5 is a very unique, complete done for you $697. Come with downsell $497. This is pretty expensive. Why is it so expensive? Because this is the opportunity for you to have your very own unique product, and you can launch and make money with this like this. And they will create a complete unique product just for you, including the sales page and adding them to your hosting. This is a completely no-brainer. This is all you have extra money. You want to launch your product. Then you can grab this. This is optional. What is the benefit? You don't have to email list for evergreen method. Perfect for newbie. No video making and 247 income stream. So you can grab all my exclusive bonus. And let's recap. Number 1, 10 high converting campaign. Number 2, 0 to 100 in 24 hours. Bonus number 3, 100K AdSense blueprint. Bonus number 4, you will 9 ways to make money with YouTube. Bonus number 5 is 6-figure passive income. Bonus number 6 is Bing Bang profits. Bonus number 7 is 50 KDP books make $100. Bonus number 8 you will commission blueprint commission blueprint video course. Bonus and also you will get all the exclusive bonuses from vendor. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonuses before the time. When you come to the first click the link below the first description. The first in the description. The first link is my bonus page. When you come to this bonus page, grab this blue button and go through the bonus page and sales page and purchase. Even if you just purchase the front end, all my exclusive bonuses will be delivered automatically inside the WordPress, the purchase file, and you will get this all for free. Thanks for taking time to check out my simple income method review. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button in the below. Thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. See you later.